All right, we're here. I got guinea pig and the EC 1500 piloted by Joey out there. FoamBoyRc on Instagram. I'll leave his link in the description. You want me to take off first then?
I'll go first.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Way over.
All right, here I go. It's a little tail heavy.
On those two. I got half flaps.
Feeling the wind a little bit. Not too bad.
There it is.
There it is.
They're trying to cut it.
If you want. Glad the cargo door worked.
Oh, I got it, but I didn't mean to though.
You didn't actually cut it though, did you? I don't know. Doesn't matter. Cut it. I don't know. I love the guinea pig. It flies good. It's on the, like, it flies like a foam board cargo plane. Like, I like how having the 2 seatback motors because it's got good power too on it.
Right.
I mean, probably not as much as you, but
you're on 3S though, right?
I'm on 3S. And you're on 4S?
Yeah. So that's kind of cheating.
A little bit of Emmelman.
I'm gonna buzz us. I'm gonna do buzz us from the right.
Gotta get my sunglasses after this. And carries good speed.
Ooh, the wings, I forgot they flex.
I got a chip prop. Looks so stupid with the cargo door on. Once it's out, it doesn't come back. It sounds so bad. I don't know if I have like a loose motor or something. My motor blew off. Oh, I'm down.
What was that?
My prop exploded and my motor blew off.
Oh my god. I'll do like another minute.
Oh, that's great. I like that plane too. I heard my prop. I'm just like, that prop's gonna do something. I just was completely oblivious to it, but I knew it was gonna happen. I did nothing to prevent it. No, the plane's in one piece. Probably a few wrinkles in the nose. Not even.
I don't even think he did anything.
I mean, my nose is a little bit. That's not bad.
Literally
oh,
nothing.
Look at that. Look at that twists on the motor wire.
Oh my god.
I think I might have fried that.
That motor's nice and toasty.
Still recording? We got that. Let's go. All right. See you next time.
Was that one still?
That is so mint. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I got at least 100 views just by crashing it.